As the threat of US sanction looms over, India's purchase of S-400 system from Russia, India on Thursday reiterated that it follows an independent foreign policy and its defense acquisitions will continue to be guided by national security interest. The US House of Representatives on Thursday passed a bill to fund the federal government through mid-February, sending it on to the Senate, which faces a midnight Friday deadline to pass it or face a partial government shutdown. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate Infinity Forum, a thought leadership forum on fintech, on Friday at 10 a.m. via video conferencing. India's first two Omicron-infected COVID-19 patients have been detected in Karnataka. The first cases of Omicron variant in India have been confirmed in two individuals in Karnataka. One of them was a South African national and has already left the country. India slammed the UN High Commissioner for Human Rights Office on Thursday for making baseless and unfounded allegations against India forces in Jammu and Kashmir. A day after the centre raised objections to stringent air travel curbs announced by the state, Maharashtra government rolled back most restrictions, including the RT-PCR negative report mandated for interstate domestic flyers, irrespective of their vaccination status. China has decided to suspend a project for construction of hybrid energy system in Sri Lanka by Chinese firm Sinosure Hybrid Technology, a Lankan media report said. Environmental sensitivity must be a part of planning, said Rakesh Kumar, chairman of the expert committee set up by the BMC for a detailed project analysis of its cyclic track scheme. A 5.4 magnitude earthquake has hit the southeastern part of Japan's biggest island of Honshu, the Japan Meteorological Agency reported on Thursday. Chinese ride-hailing giant Didi Chuxing said Friday it would start the process of delisting its shares from the New York Stock Exchange shortly after US regulators adopted a rule that would allow them to remove foreign firms. Bollywood actress Ileana D'Cruz is an avid social media user. She is once again breaking the internet with her eating pictures.